Hello, I'm Yun。不知道你有没有听过 Inside Flow？ 中文名字是内观流瑜伽，创办人是杨ho Kim。In Inside Flow， 我们随着音乐的节奏流动，而且还要 move on the beat。我把他们的官方网站放在这里了，喜欢的朋友可以去了解更多。到目前为止，我教课已经1年了，很喜欢。每一次去上课，本来是要去 heal 人的，可是最后都会被学生 healing 到。你们 so sweet 啦，大家！年过40，我的青春已经不懂跑去哪里了，很珍惜每一天每一刻，也很谢谢看到这里的你。我也不懂这么越老好像越容易感动。讲这样多就是给你时间去拿yoga mat的啦，不懂你有没有 get 到？我准备了6分钟的 build up sequence 和大家一起流动，只是 sequence 的练习，而不是 main song， 因为线上教学将由官网独家持有发布权。
If you are ready, let's get started. Please come to the front of your mat and bring your palms together. Namaste. You may close your eyes. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 6, 7, 8. Now inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 6, 7, 8. Now we try to shift our weight to the front, to the back. Go back to center and right leg back, low lunge, knee down. Mini attitude, hands up. Right hand to the front. Wow, the music. Half of the month, half speed, hips back. Roll to the right. Mini side plank up. Slow. We have time. Step in. 6, 7. Reach up, hands up. Both hands to the front. And step forward. Uttanasana. Go down. Mountain up. Left leg back, low lunge. Knee down. Mini attitude, hands up. Half of the month, hips back. Slow. Left mini side plank. Step in. 6, 7. Now reach up, both hands to the front. Slow. Nice. Step forward. Uttanasana. Mountain up. Right leg back, low lunge, knee down. Mini attitude, hands up. Uttanasana. Go down. So lovely, roll up. Now, faster beat. Move faster. Start to count the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mountain up. 1. Uttana. Bleeding love. Roll up. Now right leg back, low lunge, knee down. Woohoo! Mini attitude, hands up. Half split, hips back. Roll to the right, mini side plank. Step in, 5, 6, 7. Reach up, hands up. From here, dragon squats. Bend your knee lower. Passe, come up. Hands up. Pull your knee in. 5, 6, 7. And now just knee up, hands up. Woo! Uttana, step forward. Ha. Mountain up. Left leg back, low lunge, knee down. Mini attitude, hands up. Half split, hips back. Roll to the left, mini side plank. Boom. Step in, zoom. Reach up, hands to the front. Dragon squats, remember? Passe, hands up. Pull your knee in, close it. And just knee up and back bend a bit. Uttana. Roll up. Namaste. 5, 6, 7. I hope that sometimes when you feel down, you can go to your mat. All the best to your Insight Flow journey and see you. Bye bye.